What's going on, guys? It's the FRS in here back with another video, and today we are going to the bank because we are trying to buy something from someone that might be a big thing if it all goes through. So we're just gonna see. So first, let me start up the car and then head to the bank. Cold start. Alright guys, so we made it. Now I just gotta go in and withdraw the money. Hopefully we won't have to use all of it. Hopefully we can negotiate the price down. Alright guys, we got the money. Hopefully we don't need to use all of it. Hopefully we can get what we're trying to get. And I hope y'all, it'll be a big addition to the page. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be a big addition. So, just don't even skip through the video. Like, let's just build up to it together, okay? Mr. Huffin.
Oh man. Oh man.
I freaking texted you. You didn't text me. I was like, oh, he might have fell asleep or something.
Nah. I didn't know. You called me and I was like, what's up? And then I saw a black car. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah. You look like you're a freaking undercover cop.
Oh, what? Come on.
A freaking undercover cop, man. Trying to set me up. But we are here and we're just gonna go now. I already texted him that we're here, so yeah. He said he wasn't going under 6,000. I got him to go under 6,000. Well, guys, this is his FRS. Pretty stock. And then we got this. I wonder what my dad gonna say. He don't even know I'm buying it.
Bro, what?
He doesn't even know I'm buying it, bro. I'm like, damn. No engine. It is a project car.
That's weight reduction.
Alright, weight reduction.
That's crazy.
Add it to the loop. Someone gonna comment. Bro still couldn't afford a BRZ. Alright guys, so we just got the car, picked it up from their house. We got the title, everything is all checked out. And now we're following the tow truck to the house. So, we'll unload it. And my dad does not know anything about it, so we're gonna see if we can see how his reaction is. Alright guys, so he made it to the house. I kind of lost Matthew. He went the wrong way, but he'll get here eventually. But we're at the house, so he's unloading the car, and my dad still doesn't know. I don't know if he sees it outside yet, but we'll go over there.
Don't get too close to the mailbox, they won't deliver.
Finally! Alright, Mr. Huffington.
Alright.
Pleasure doing business.
Pleasure. Yeah.
That's accomplished in crime.
Did great work today.
Fish and chips, huh? Later on.
Fish and chips? Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Alright, man. Is that
Alright, man.
manual? Now I gotta check if it's in neutral again. Alright, man.
Alright, man. Congrats on the car.
Yeah, man.
That doesn't work.
We'll get in there. We'll get in there.
You know I don't like taking pictures. Yeah, who called that?
I just bought it.
You just bought it?
Uh-huh.
How much you paid for it now? You got the paperwork on it?
Yeah.
So what you gonna do with 2 of them cars?
Work on it.
Work on it. Your insurance already high on your car. Then you gotta pay insurance on 2 of them?
You need a motor.
Okay.
So yeah.
So who's gonna put a motor in it?
My
Huh?
friend.
Stop recording me, please, son. Jesus.